back, everyone. Yo, I hope everyone's doing good today. It's just a quick one. Just going to do a quick midweek review and how the week's gone. Man, alhamdulillah, man. It's been a very good week so far. Currently Wednesday is just about to close up. Well, Wednesday has closed up, but we're just waiting for Thursday midnight. Yeah, man, this week's been good. So we didn't trade on Monday, we started trading on Tuesday, the 20th of May. I wanted to see the DXY. As you can see, it's live. We've got the green spot here and the seconds ticking away. I wanted DXY to take out London open lows. So I wanted the pound to move higher and take out London highs. So I wanted to move back into this range here, from this low to this high that's going to form. The high formed, we've got to move back into the range where we've got our entries. And yeah, just looking to target London highs. And then we've got this huge move here. Got a huge move here. I was targeting London highs, but price decided to take out all of this. Like, the London highs wasn't enough. How greedy is that?
Yeah, how greedy.
Fucking amazing week so far. And yeah, today, like, this is live as well. Yeah, I just wanted the pound to move higher. So I wanted a pull back into this order block. So I'm going to zoom in for you. This little order block here, down candle with a move up. It forms an order block. So I wanted to move into that and then press to move higher and target London highs again. This is DXY. So I wanted the DXY to target the London lunch low, because the London low was already taken by this low. And then, yeah, so from here, I remember I wanted this order block here to get tapped into, which it did. Got a little tap in, and then price started running higher. With this, I let everyone know here, and I let everyone in the chat know here that it's reached a certain area. Feel free to take partials off the trade, and then, yeah, from that area here, just got a reversal to the downside. But I'll explain why I feel like this is happening in a second. But yeah, no, that's how the week's gone so far. Let's go back to here. So what I think is going to happen now, if we go onto the weekly calendar, tomorrow, Thursday, we've got, the day is jam-packed with a whole bunch of news. We've got Euro news, pound news, and we've got USD news as well, and the Canadian dollar. So I do expect an expansion, a manipulation or an expansion on this day, like for the week. And then Friday we could get the distribution phase as well. So if we look at the dollar index, what I do see happening, or what could happen, sorry, is, so if we start from the weekly, remember at the start of the week we got a full, hang on, let me get this, we got a full rebalance of this fair value gap. So from this low to this candle's high, we have a gap where prices come into it and rebalanced it completely. It's wicked past it, closed below it, which shows that it's still respecting it. And then this week we're getting a displacement to the downside. I do think that Thursday and Friday we could get a move lower to take out this weekly candle's low. Trying to reach for this low and this low is a bit optimistic. It could happen, but my eyes are fixated on this low here. If we move over to the daily, this candle closes. Wednesday's candle closes in 17 minutes, which would form this daily fair value gap. So we've got this candle's low to this candle's high. We have a little gap here where price could run into here for tomorrow. With the amount of news tomorrow, we could get a spike into this weekly fair value gap and then a move lower to target this candle's low and then this weekly candle's low. So then these two lows here, which we could end the week there. So that's what my eyes are fixated on right now. I don't see the dollar moving any higher from here to the upside. So I just want to spike into here. Let me draw a couple arrows. I expect to see a spike into here and then a move lower just to finish off the week. On the 4 hour, like I said, same thing. It seems that that's what the dollar is doing right now. I've drawn this 4 hour fair value gap. This looks like a significant fair value gap. But with the amount of news that's coming out tomorrow, I do see it. Price is accumulating right now. So what we want to see is, so price accumulate with the news tomorrow on Thursday, when Thursday opens, so Thursday midnight, could get price manipulate higher, possibly into that daily fair value gap. So sweeping out, it's taking out this accumulation area, so manipulate higher, and then we get a possible run lower to target our draw on liquidity, which was the weekly candles low. So we could get something like that. So that's all I'm looking for tomorrow. So opposing to that, or on the flip side of that, sorry, if we look at the EURGBP, with how this candle's closing, so Wednesday, I'd rather wait until midnight and see how the whole day closes. So if the day closes like this, so this is the daily ranges candle from midnight to midnight. If it closes like that, then I would say that the euro is weaker than the pound. So I would look to trade the pound. So if the dollar, if we're trying to sell the dollar and the euro is weaker than the pound, so the EURGBP is looking to go lower, that means we'll trade the pound. We'll look to buy the pound because the dollar is going lower. The euro is weaker than the pound, so pound is stronger than euro. So we want to trade the pound for tomorrow. So depending on how the EURGBP closes for the day, I do favor the pound for now because it's looking like it wants to close bearish. So bearish is selling themselves. So yeah, the pound, it's basically the same as the dollar. We had a weekly fair value gap here, so this candle's high with this candle's low. There's a gap here where last week's candle completely closed that fair value gap, rejected off it and respected it and moved to the upside. So you'd expect this candle to print higher and take out this candle's high, which it has. So it's taken out that high and it's rejecting off it. So in terms of weekly targets, there ain't really any more weekly targets for the pound to target. So we've gotten a daily close here. So Wednesday's close is what we would look to target now. So with how this candle is looking like it's going to close, if it closes like this, so this candle represents Wednesday's midnight to Thursday's midnight. So that's why this is still open right now. So when it comes to midnight, that's when this candle closes. So if it closes like this, what I expect for price to do is run the candle's low, because if it closes close to its low, it's more than likely going to target the low and then move to the upside. So what I would want to see is price is accumulating right now. If we go to the daily, we have a redelivered rebalance. So it's another form of a fair value gap. It's another form of a fair value gap. So what I would want to see is price. What I would want to see is price move lower into this redelivered rebalance area and then moves to the upside. I will make a video on redelivered rebalance for another day, but I'm releasing another video on order blocks this Friday, and then next week I'll do another topic. But yeah, back to the video. So what I would want to see for tomorrow, and price is accumulating right now, so just like the dollar, price is just accumulating back and forth, just accumulating orders. Upon midnight open, probably during the London session, we could get a move to the downside to manipulate all this price here that's accumulated, and then we get our original move to the upside where we would enter our buy positions to target the previous day, so Wednesday's highs. So yeah, that's all I have on the cards for now. So the same way price accumulated here, manipulated and moves to the upside, is the same way it done it here. Got accumulation, got back and forth, price going back and forth, then it manipulated, so it's accumulated, manipulated, then got our sell positions that we took. So this is the sell position that the buy position, sorry. So this is the buy position we took on the Tuesday. So as soon as price manipulated, was able to get in long and take a buy position. So the same way here, price is going to accumulate. It's accumulating. The way it's closing, it looks favorable to manipulate all that accumulation here, and then we'll look for another buy position to take out Wednesday's highs. So yeah, that's all I have on the cards for now. It's getting late right now and I'm tired. I don't know if you can hear it from man's voice, but yeah, man, for now just sit on your hands, see how price plays out. There's a whole load of news tomorrow, so you better be careful, man. It's like a landmine, man. Landmines, you don't want to get blown up. So yeah, man, just trade safely and just trade carefully, and yeah, man, stay safe.